guys, today's video is going to be super old school. I'm filming on my iPhone today and I'm going to be doing a tutorial using a bunch of products from Yesstyle. They sent me some goodies to try, so I'm going to try them out for you and tell you how I like them. As always, everything will be linked down below, and make sure you use my Yesstyle code when you are getting them. If you do, I greatly appreciate it. So now let's get on with trying these products out. First up, we have this glitter gel from this brand Glint. This is in the shade called Frozen Opal. It is so pretty. I'm just going to take some bronzer first and like sloppily apply it to the lid. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just pop it on for a really pretty little subtle glitter. I really like this because it looks like you're wearing nothing, but when the light hits just right, you see that little hit of glitter. To finish off my skincare routine for the day, I'm going to try this Skin 1004 Madagascar Centinela Hyla Cica Silky Fit Sunstick. This is what it looks like. It has SPF 50 in it. Kind of looks like a little deodorant for your face. So I'm just gonna put this on. I like it. It's very silky smooth. And it's not like tugging at your skin. My skin also feels really soft after using this. I like it. We're going to be trying out another product from Glint, and this is their highlighter. This is in the shade Dewy Moon, and this looks like a perfect highlighter. Look at how pretty that is. I love this highlighter. It's like perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm gonna go highlighter crazy today and just put this everywhere. If it wasn't so cold, I'd be putting it on my collarbones. To finish off the look, I'm using this Lip Studio Sheer Glow lipstick from NR. This is the shade Neon Coral. It's making me a little nervous. So here's like a good swatch of it. It's actually not terrible. Let's see what it looks like on. So this is probably my least favorite product out of everything that I use, just because the color isn't really like a me color, but it is pretty. Just not for winter. I feel like it's a more summery color. I did kind of blot it out with my finger a little bit, and I think it looks a little bit better. And here's the completed look. My favorite product from everything that I tried is the highlighter. I think it is just so pretty on the skin, and it just gives like that natural glow. Thank you, Yesstyle, for sending me all of these products. I had a ton of fun trying them out. These products are definitely great to create a really cute holiday look. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!